Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want real gains, better recovery, and next level strength? Meet Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate 1000G of pure power made in Canada, trusted by athletes. This isn't just any creatine, this is lab-tested, ultra-pure creatine monohydrate trusted by thousands across North America. Whether you are bulking, cutting, or maintaining, Jacked Factory fuels your grind. Each 1000G tub packs 200 servings of 100% creatine monohydrate, no fillers, no flavors, just clean muscle-building fuel. It's micronized for better absorption and mixes smoothly, no gritty texture. Creatine is scientifically proven to help increase muscle strength, improve endurance, and speed up recovery. Jacked Factory uses pharmaceutical-grade creatine so you get real results without bloat or stomach issues. Proudly made in Canada in a cGMP-certified facility. Every batch is tested for purity and potency, no nonsense, just quality. Just one scoop a day, anytime, with water or your favorite shake. Use post-workout for best results, or daily to keep your creatine levels optimized. Over 15,000 5-star reviews. Lifters, athletes, and fitness lovers say this creatine changed the game. No frills, just serious results. Ready to unlock peak performance? Try Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate today. Link in description. Train smart. Recover faster. Get jacked the Canadian way.